sit down without telling you what is raging because you will be wondering. The man said that Agege started removing the imam of the mosque. I want to tell you, without any fear of being contradicted, that if anybody supports what rubbish is doing, the imam of God is not part of it. It was not at that meeting. Some people are calling me, and where was the chief imam of God? I got Baba was not at that meeting because he was hosting the Sultan behind him. And as the chairman of the Muslim community, I want to tell you that no man at Agege can remove the imam of the mosque. Wasting his time, what he's trying to do is pure rubbish. The case of that imamship is in court. So it's something this for anybody who wants to interfere. And in any case, the League of Imam and Stars will expect them. You are not the people who install the imam. How can you remove somebody who didn't install?
No way.
And for what reason? This guy is one of the best in today. All of us are supposed to support him. To see that to give him all the courage he needs to perform as a young man. But for whatever reason, some people just stay in Agege and start talking. And this is not the first rubbish. Somebody who is insulting the servants of the prophet. What can he say that will make sense? So that is internal terrorism. May Allah save us from this.